To begin customizing your Shopify store's footer using the ANY footer number to section, start by navigating to your Shopify admin. Go to Online Store, then Themes, click on Actions, and select Edit Code. In the code editor, filter the files and look for the liquid file titled ANY footer number 2. This file contains the schema and core layout elements responsible for the structure and behavior of your footer. Once you've found the file, return to the admin panel and click Customize Theme to open the theme editor. Inside the customizer, click on Add Section and choose ANY footer number 2 from the available list. This will activate the footer section on your storefront, allowing you to visually edit and personalize it with live previews. The ANY footer number 2 section offers a wide range of customization options that help you reflect your brand identity clearly and consistently. You can start by adjusting the background color to match your store's theme, creating a strong visual foundation. If you want to add structure, you can enable and customize the outer border. An inner border is also available and can be adjusted in width and color to add depth to the footer design. These design options help in establishing a strong separation between your footer and the rest of the page. The visual interface includes intuitive sliders and color pickers, making it easy to change font sizes, spacing, paddings, and layout details without needing any code. This means even store owners without coding experience can still create a professional-looking footer. The footer contains multiple menus, starting with Menu 1. Here, you can adjust padding on all sides, top, bottom, left, and right to get precise spacing control. Each menu block can be linked to an existing Shopify navigation list, such as quick links, FAQs, return policies, or account login. You can further customize each menu by editing the heading font size, color, and hover effect, ensuring that links respond visually when a user interacts with them. These same customization options are available for Menu 2 and Menu 3 as well, giving you complete control over the layout, fonts, colors, and spacing for each individual menu section. You can assign different menus for different purposes, such as customer service, legal pages, or category browsing. Each section has its own heading text and hover style controls to maintain a polished and unified appearance. In column 2, you can insert a short paragraph about your brand or promotional information. This is a great spot for your store's mission, current sales, or seasonal messaging. You have the ability to adjust the font size and color of the text, along with the padding to ensure the paragraph fits neatly and is easy to read. Including a personal touch or message here helps your customers feel connected to your brand and can make your store experience more memorable. Further down, you'll find the email subscription block. This is ideal for collecting customer emails for newsletters, exclusive deals, or updates. You can control the width and padding of the input field as well as change the placeholder text to something like "Enter your email." You can also customize the subscribe button label, such as changing it to "Join Now" or "Get Updates." Button text color and hover effects can be modified to align with your brand style, ensuring it looks consistent with the rest of your footer. This block is an important element for driving long-term customer engagement and building your mailing list. The Terms and Conditions area in your Shopify footer section provides a critical opportunity to establish legal transparency and build customer trust. In this block, you can insert a clickable link to your store's privacy policy, terms of service, return policy, or any other important legal documentation. You're not limited to just the default wording. The static text can be edited to match your brand's voice. To ensure the link is both visible and aligned with your overall footer design, you can customize the link color, hover effect, and padding. These settings allow for a seamless visual integration, making sure your footer remains clean and user-friendly. Proper legal linking is not just about compliance, It also reassures your visitors that your business operates with clarity and responsibility, helping boost conversions and long-term trust. Moving on to the social media icon section. This feature allows you to embed direct links to your various social platforms including Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, X, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, and others. Once URLs are entered, sleek, recognizable icons appear in the footer, offering a direct gateway for users to follow or engage with your brand outside the storefront. Beyond simply displaying them, you have full control over their appearance. Customize the icon colors, hover states, and spacing to blend effortlessly into your site's theme. Whether you want monochrome minimalist icons or vibrant brand-colored badges, this level of styling flexibility ensures the icons enhance rather than clash with your footer aesthetic. A well-integrated social media section strengthens your digital footprint and creates multiple customer touchpoints, key for community building and ongoing engagement. The RI Store block is where your brand can shine through. Use this space to prominently feature your store's name, a memorable slogan, or a brand promise. You can make this text clickable, linking to your homepage, a store locator, a mission page, or any strategic destination you want customers to access quickly. Font size and color settings are fully customizable, allowing you to ensure this section remains in perfect harmony with your design language. In addition to branding, this area is also a great place to include operational information such as a physical address, store hours, or a proud statement like "Proudly Made in India," adding a sense of authenticity and cultural connection. This subtle branding anchor in the footer helps reinforce your store identity and communicate your values passively but powerfully. The language picker is a highly practical addition for any store with international ambitions. This drop-down selector allows your users to toggle between languages, ensuring they can navigate and shop in the language they are most comfortable with. You can customize the display label such as N for English, FR for French, fine-tune the padding around it, and control its text color and borders to make it cohesive with your layout. More than just a language switcher, this feature can be linked to alternate regional versions of your store or connected to separate storefronts optimized for different markets. Combined with currency conversion tools and region-specific product catalogs, this element greatly enhances user experience for global audiences, helping reduce bounce rates and improve international conversion rates. The star rating block adds strong social proof to your footer. Highlight your store rating, average customer satisfaction, or a top-selling category with customizable stars. You can set the rating, example 4.85, adjust star color and size, and style the accompanying text. It's a simple yet effective way to promote credibility and show potential customers that others trust your store. Especially for first-time visitors, a visible rating can be the nudge that encourages them to explore or make a purchase. In summary, each of these footer sections plays a strategic role in reinforcing your brand identity, building trust, and supporting user experience. By carefully customizing them with visual consistency and purposeful content, you turn your footer from a basic layout element into a powerful brand asset, one that improves navigation, enhances engagement, and communicates key messages in every scroll. Lastly, there's an optional footer navigation menu that you can choose to enable. This feature is incredibly useful if you want to include additional navigation links in your footer without overwhelming the design. Once activated, you have the flexibility to assign any of your Shopify menus, such as product categories, customer service pages, blog entries, or featured collections. You can also customize the font size to ensure it matches the rest of your site's typography and set distinct link colors for both default and hover states. These visual options help the menu integrate seamlessly with your brand's style while still standing out enough to guide users. Adding a footer menu not only enhances usability but also keeps essential links accessible without cluttering the main navigation. It serves as a subtle yet powerful way to keep users engaged and guide them to key areas of your store, especially useful for larger inventories or content-rich sites. Once you've finished making your footer adjustments, it's important to preview the layout across all devices, desktop, tablet, and mobile. This ensures the text remains legible, the spacing feels balanced, and the layout is fully responsive. Having this level of design and layout control allows you to create a footer that's both functional and visually cohesive. A thoughtfully built footer can significantly elevate your store's user experience by making navigation easier, reinforcing your brand identity, and providing quick access to trusted resources or policies. Ultimately, it's these fine details that shape your customers' perception and leave a lasting, professional impression. Telephone receiver need assistance? We are here to help. Got questions or need support? Reach out to us. Mobile phone call or WhatsApp 9035671333. Glow with Meridians, visit our website, click here. We are just a call or a click away.